Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to build a powerful no-code workflow in n8n that integrates with Airtable and process records one at a time. We'll use the loop over and limit node for more control over our automation. So here's the workflow we are building today. So this is the Airtable search node. It will pulls all the records. So this is the credential. Here we have to give the token in order to integrate n8n to Airtable and the resource I've chosen as I'm updating the records. So the I've chosen resource as record, and the operation I've chosen is the search, and from the base feedback collection, and table employee table I'm choosing. So and next is the filter node. It will filter uh, only the required records. It will pull only keeps the records which say active. So this is the condition. And then the loop over node, it goes through one item at a time. This node ensures each record is processed individually. So here I have select the batch size as 1. You can choose the different batch sizes also. And the next one is the Airtable update node. It marks those records with new status. So the operation is the update, and the base I've chosen is feedback collection and employee table. It matches on ID. The column matches on ID and then updates PTO days field call field. And the next one is a limit node. It processes only few items. Example like 5. It is useful for testing or batching. So let me. So I have created an employee table with the new column of PTO days. So I want to update this column active of all active employees. I want to update this PTO days column. So let me execute the workflow. So you can see search records. It searched all the records, and then this is the input for the filter, and it has picked only the active records. As you can see, the status with active only, and then it passed to loop over. So you can see here this is the input and run. So for each record it has run see one of 5 item. So loop branch item for the status active, it has passed, and so you so it went through only the active records, and then it has updated this the input, and you can see the active record, whatever the record is active, it is updating with the PTO days based on their joining date, and yeah, and the limit also you can see only it is passing one item at a time. So why you are using loop over? You may think like why you go through all this instead of using simple bulk update. So Airtable has rate limits. Updating many records at once can fail processing records, and one by one helps add delays, track logs, or send notifications per item. So limit node helps when testing, so you don't accidentally process hundreds of entries at a time. So this is just like a mirror of a for each loop in traditional programming, giving you more control and flexibility. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you understand how to use loop over and limit in n8n workflow. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more no-code automation tutorials. Thanks.